Hi everyone, I'm Subhi from Fay Maths Classes. So today we are going to discuss Grade 8 Maths, Rational Numbers Exercise 1.1, Questions 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please follow my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Okay, today we can start with question number 5, Exercise 1.1, question number 5. Name the property. That is, first one is minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here we can see that when we multiply any rational number with 1, we got the same rational number. And that is in another way also, 1 into minus 4 by 5, that also will give minus 4 by 5. So here the property is multiplicative identity of, we call it as multiplicative identity because 1 is the multiplicative identity. So the identity is known as multiplicative identity. Next comes second one, we can discuss minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Here we can see there that A by B into C by D equal to C by D into A by B, or generally we can say A into B is equal to B into A. So it's very clear, it is commutative property. Then next, the third one, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. So we can look into the question. First is minus 19 by 29 and that into 29 by 19. So here you got that a rational number and its reciprocal. Here it's written 29 by 19. So 29 by minus 19 is the reciprocal of minus 19 by 29. So when we multiply a rational number and its reciprocal, we got answer 1. So it's very clear, it is the identity multiplicative inverse. Now we can discuss question number 6 of exercise 1.1, rational numbers, grade 8. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So we can try this. They are asked us to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? We know that it is 16 by minus 7. So here we need to multiply. So there is no cancellation is not possible. So we need to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 16 into 6, it is 96, and so we got here 96, and 13 into 7, we know it is 91. So but here there is a minus sign. This minus sign we can put it with 96. So it is minus 96 by 91. Now exercise 1.1, rational numbers, question number 7. What property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. You can see that in the first case, the grouping is with 6 into 4 by 3, and in the second case, it is grouping is with 1 by 3 into 6. So here it's very clear. The property is associative. Now it is exercise 1.1 rational numbers grade 8 question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 by 8? Why or why not? So first of all, we can convert this minus 1 and 1 by 8 to improper fraction. So it is 1 by 8 is equal to 1 into 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 8. And a minus sign is there. Our question is 8 by 9 and minus 9 by 8, are they reciprocal? Are they multiplicative inverse? So it is 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. So we can try. Here we did the number and the given number. We multiplied these both and we are checking whether we are getting 1 as answer. But here we got minus 1 as the answer. Here we got minus 1 as the answer. So we can say that no, they are not 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 by 8. Reason, when we multiply these two, or their products are not equal to 1. Now question number 9. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? We know the concept of multiplicative inverse. If two numbers are multiplicative inverse, the other product will be 1. So we need to check whether their products are 1. 0.3, I'm going to rewritten it as 3 by 10. Correct now? It's a decimal form. We converted that into fractional form. Now 3 1 by 3. That is also we can convert it into improper fraction. That is 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Now we can multiply these two. And if we are getting the product 1, we can say that they are multiplicative inverse of each other. Or we can say that we got answer 1, so we can say that 0.3 and 3 1 by 3 are multiplicative inverse. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe, share, like and follow. Thank you.